साल भर के इंसिडेंट्स हैं, क्या उसको पूरा करने के लिए एक दिन काफ़ी है? द थीम टुडे इज बिहाइंड द मास्क, हु हील्स द हीलर। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डॉक्टर प्रेरणा फार्मा। आज 1st of July है एंड 1st of July is celebrated as the National Doctors Day in India. This is the day which is celebrated in the memory of Dr. B.C. Roy, the legendary physician, educator, politician, and a person who stood for the rights of doctors in the country. Why is this day celebrated? What is the significance of this day? Now, Doctors Day actually is celebrated to honor the dedication, the sacrifices, the hard work that is made by the doctors for the community, for the people. So it is a way of expressing their gratitude towards the doctors, towards the selfless medical experts, skilled medical experts who are day in and day out working in the hospitals to save the lives of their near and dear. The theme of 2025 Doctors Day is Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers? So this is basically a theme which tries to portray the emotional and the mental well-being of the doctors. Like, the doctors are treating everyone, they are healing everyone, but who is actually caring for them? Who is actually healing them? The emotional turmoil, the mental stress that they all go through, who is looking after them? आप सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं, you entered MBBS with almost dreams in your eyes, almost a feeling that what you wanted to achieve, you have achieved, you have got a direction, you have got a career. You came into this profession, 5.5 years of rigorous training, 5.5 years of long study hours, examinations, internship, during which I'm sure internship may you just slog, you just work, you feel that you are a doctor, but you are actually not doing any doctor's work. And now again you are back to the same routine which you were there, where you were 5 years down the lane, and you are still preparing for NEET PG. After selection in NEET PG, you will start with your MD, you will start again with 3 years of rigorous working, lot of mental upheaval, sleepless nights, sleepless days, 36-hour long shifts, the scolding by your faculty members, by your HODs, completing the thesis, the challenges that you will face in that. So life is not really a bed of roses for doctors. Life is not something that, it's enjoyable or it's relaxed or a feeling of grandeur that you usually associated with being a doctor. After doing MD, you'll again go for some super specialty or some fellowship. Then you will start working in the hospitals. By that time, you're almost 33, 35 years of age. So this profession, if you come into this profession, come with an understanding that this is not going to be a cakewalk. This is not. Then the hospital, which up till now used to be a safe haven for the doctors, there itself we are hearing of incidents like the brutal rape murder in Kolkata, in the hospital, in the building of the hospital. Then the stabbing of the doctor in Chennai while he was performing his duties. The recent death of a resident in R&T Medical College by electrocution of a water cooler in the hostel. The suspension of the CMHO in Goa by the politician. So all these incidents, they make you as in they create a disillusionment. आप जिस प्रोफेशन को इतना रेस्पेक्ट करके आए थे, आप जिस प्रोफेशन को इतना सोच कर आए थे, और उसमें क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा, tell me one thing. Year long these incidents happen, and one day you celebrate Doctors Day. Is it enough? Is it okay? जो पूरे साल भर के इंसिडेंट्स हैं, क्या उसको पूरा करने के लिए एक दिन काफ़ी है? Shouldn't the gratitude be there in each and every person who is coming to a doctor for treatment? Every day, every moment, it should be there. Why only one day? It's just like a Mother's Day. पूरे साल भर आप अपनी मम्मी से लड़ो, आप अपनी मम्मी को कुछ भी बोलो गुस्से में, आप अपनी मम्मी की फीलिंग्स हर्ट करो, एंड एक मदर्स डे के दिन आप उनको कार्ड दे दो और एक बुके दे दो, एक डिनर पे ले जाओ, एंड इट्स ओवर. Is it so? Does that suffice? Recently, there was this news on social media that a mother took her child to a ENT surgeon to remove the earwax, and the surgeon removed it in 30 seconds and charged rupees 1,300. And she was like, no doubt, that's why the doctor is not having any patients in their clinic. And then you celebrate Doctors Day. Wow. I mean, I'm being cynical, I'm being sarcastic, but so is every doctor in this country. This is, I think, a feeling which everyone shares, that you cannot just respect or express gratitude on one day, and rest of the 364 days of the year, you insult doctors. We don't want this gratitude, because year long people throw insults on us. Who is taking care? The theme today is Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healer? So who heals the healers? Nobody is coming forward and healing the healers. Nobody is doing anything for the betterment of the condition of doctors. I mean, I feel disillusioned. I feel sad. I feel demotivated. Many people will say that this is wrong and I'm not this is not the way to feel and whatever, but this is my feeling, this is my something coming out of my experiences, the things that I see around myself, and the things that make me feel sad about the whole situation of doctors in India. So happy Doctors Day. We'll do what we took the oath for. We'll stand by our Hippocratic oath, even if the patients are not happy, even if the patients are not expressing gratitude, even if the patients are not or they're fighting with the doctors while they're on duty, or beating them, or cussing them. We'll continue doing our job, which is our responsibility, right?